If you're like me, you're probably addicted to e-bikes, okay? You probably damn near watched every e-bike video on YouTube. Well, today, I'm here to cure that e-bike hunger. Throughout the week, I always have like extra clips that I never end up posting for whatever reason. Well, today, we're gonna slap those clips together and hopefully it makes a banger video, okay? So yeah, stay tuned. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this e-bike content. Don't forget to subscribe. And let's get into the joint. Okay. There's a car behind me. We need to pull over to the shoulder. There's no bike lane over here. Oh my God. And it's only a 2-lane street. Come on. No passing. No passing. He's like right on my tail. I can feel the grill. I can feel the heat of the grill on my ass. Just go past me. Stop playing, man. This is scary. I'm about to go off road. Dude, he's like right there. I gotta get over. Go ahead. Look, Mom. No hands. Oh yeah. I'm doing my dance. I feel like Urban Grizzly right now. This is how he rides his bike. I swear he doesn't need a handlebar. If he ever came out with an e-bike brand, his e-bikes wouldn't come with no handlebar. You gotta ride it no hands. Alright guys, this is about to be a different type of video. Currently, I don't even know what time it is. It's like 6:30. It's dark. A couple of videos ago, I told you guys that I sell off some of the bikes, you know, as they get old. I don't have time to ride them all. I'm currently about to hopefully make a deal with somebody. I posted a bike on OfferUp. It's the rattan. It's the gray rattan. Hold on, give me a second. Let me pull it up. The reason why I'm making this video is because I'm about to make a deal, right? But I don't know, for some reason I'm just nervous. I realized how easy it is for somebody to steal this bike from me. All it takes for somebody is to freaking have a gun. And I'm done. So I'm filming today for my protection and I just wanted to spread awareness. Ooh. Hey, what's going on, man? Oh, it's freezing cold. God dang. What's up, man? David.
David, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. That's the bike, rattan.
Yeah.
It has, 33 miles on it.
Oh, okay, perfect. I'm waiting on the boss.
That's the boss.
Yep. For her, so.
You got one already?
No. My neighbor has one.
Oh,
okay. She wrote it, so she was like, oh, I like it.
Fell in love.
Yeah, so she saw yours.
Yeah, these things are super fun.
Yeah.
I counted off. Here, can you count it? It's supposed to be 9.
Okay.
And then you said you do have the...
Yeah, I'll grab the charger.
Are you recording us? I was like...
On OfferUp, you just never know.
I totally understand.
Mm-hmm.
You get some.
Because these things are expensive.
Oh yeah.
Somebody can easily just come with like a gun.
Oh yeah.
I'm giving it up, you know. I'm not.
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1.
You never know, guys. You never know. I had to make sure. Let me know if I'm overthinking it because you never know, something could happen. I definitely want to get it on camera. All right, guys, this is about to be a little side mission. As you guys can see, I only have one glove, okay? Yesterday, I was filming a review for the Yami e-bike and I was out in the field and I had to take off my glove for whatever reason and ended up leaving it over there overnight. So it is the next day. Let's see if we can find this glove. Currently on the Electric XP. Haven't ridden her in a while. I try to ride my e-bikes equally, you know. You don't want them just sitting in the garage. That's how you can have a dead bike. Funny thing is, I know exactly where it is, if it's still there. Hopefully it's not like overtaken by red ants. That would be horrible. That would suck too if I fell. I only have one glove. All right, it's over here. We're getting closer, I can smell it. This is a dope track, I'm not gonna lie. I think I might start filming all my my reviews over here on this track because it's super nice. Try to standardize the reviews. Let's see. It should be right over here. should be right here. There it is. Look at that. I knew it. I knew it. Did it get rained on? All right, well, I guess mission accomplished. We got both gloves right here. Your boy is well protected. I'm actually in the middle of filming a review for the Yami e-bike. I'm gonna be taking on a top speed test and a hill climb test. If you guys haven't checked out that video, make sure you watch it. I will link it. And yeah, we'll see you on the next adventure.